Hi friends, so in this video we will learn about conversion optimized ad. Okay, so conversion optimized ad is all about creating an URL. Okay, and then you can analyze the customer who are converting into sales. Okay, and then you can figure out others audience, okay, on the same demographic figure, on the same location, on the same behavior across the Facebook. So it's all about searching audience who are who might be converted into sales. Okay, so let's move to your profile and we'll start creating customer conversion advertisement, right? So for this you have to go to event manager first. Okay, select your pixel. Now create a custom conversion. Okay, so first you have to create a custom conversion. Okay, so create custom conversion, name it custom conversion. Okay, now here all traffic, or you would like to go ahead with some particular pages. Okay, so mostly we are using conversion event to track a particular page so that we can easily target those audience who might be we will easily convert them into sales, right? So we can go ahead with the checkout. Okay, then I'll select the checkout page. Okay, so for me this is my course, my courses. Okay, so anybody go to my particular course. Okay, like this course. Wait. Okay, this course, he go to buy this, he'll log in. Okay, after this he'll fill all the detail. Okay, he placed order. Suppose he made the payment, right? He made the payment through this option. Okay, so now what will happen? So if he made the payment, okay, then page redirect to the confirmation page. Ki you purchase this page, thank you for purchase, and you can download your payment receipt. Okay, so it means ki someone come to my website, he go to my particular product, he made the payment for this product, and again this page redirect to purchase confirmation. Okay, so I'll take this URL, okay, and I'll put it here. So why this URL? So this URL, it mean ki I already track this kind of audience, okay, who come to my website, who made the purchase, who, okay, so I can easily track. And what Facebook will do, Facebook will target those kind of audience only, okay, those who might be converted into sales. Okay, so I put it over there, then I enter conversion value. What is the conversion value? So conversion value is 1500 for this product. Okay, so custom conversion for FB. So you have to write down very detailing, in a detailing, okay, ki what you are, what for which you are creating this custom conversion. Okay, then create it. Okay, so this is create, so you can check. Okay, done. So you can check this here. So now you have to come custom conversion. Now you can it. So you can check this. Okay, कि already this thing has created. Okay, Facebook already created. So after if someone will go over there by your advertisement, Facebook will start analyzing this kind of people across the Facebook, right? Okay, so now you have to come to create an ad. In this you have to select conversions, continue. Okay, so in this you made this. Okay, so I already have a few custom conversions, so I select one out of this, because this is not activated again, because there is no website visitor in this particular pages right now. Okay, so I have another, so I'll select here. Okay, I'll select from here. Okay, so I'll select a new conversion. Okay, and then I place the advertisement. Okay, so from this again I can use custom audience, lookalike audience, or any save audience. Okay, so it's up to you. So I can select save audience. Okay, and I can go ahead with the placement automatic, continue. Okay, then I select my page. Okay, then as it is, you have to put the text here. Okay, then your website URL, and then confirm it. Okay, then after getting approval from Facebook, this ad will start. Okay, so what will happen with this conversion advertisement? Okay, so let me brief you. So conversion optimize ad is all about tracking the particular URL. Okay, and then Facebook will figure out the same people whom you are easily convert into sales. So that's why we are doing a conversion optimization. Even you can select those who are visiting your overall website also. Okay, so here you can go and just name it. Okay, then you can choose all URL traffic, right? So you can, so here you can choose. Okay, from this you can choose the category, in which category you are going on. Okay, then you have to put the URL www.kumarsoft.in or anyone. Okay, so this is all about the custom conversion optimization advertisement. Okay, then you have to go to the ad, and then you can create ad. Okay, by choosing this conversions advertisement. Okay friends, so for now this is all about the conversion optimization. So here you can get people to take valuable action in your website, app, or in Messenger, such adding payment info, making a purchase. Use the Facebook pixel or app event to track or measure conversion, right? So you can easily track the conversion, how many is converted into sales. So I recommend you just do it after getting few engagement in your past advertisement. Okay, so that this will make more money. Okay, this will more profitable campaign. Okay, so thank you friends. In the next video I'll teach you about how you can measure your advertisement, and I will give some tips and guide how you can download leads. Okay, and how you can make all of your advertisement a profitable campaign. Okay friends, so let's meet in a next video.